Hello, dear friends. This is Sofya Dorinskaya with you, President of the International Bureau for Human Rights in Mental Health and head of the Sofya Dorinskaya Center for Medical Information. By education, I am a doctor, and today I am continuing the topic of simple protocols for various diseases. And today, once again, I will tell you about a protocol that our professor taught us at the Department of Dermatovenereology. How to treat thrush, the very one that's now being advertised on television. So very briefly, just a quick explanation. Thrush is caused by fungi of the Candida genus. These are yeast-like fungi, and in people with a normal immune system, they usually do not develop. When the immune system is weakened, a woman can develop this very candidiasis. So here is a very simple basic method, not pills, for treating candidiasis in women. So listen carefully and take notes. For the first 3 days, you need to do douching with baking soda. You can dilute the baking soda, 1 teaspoon per liter of water. Try to make it so that, so you can feel the baking soda. What do? In this way, you sort of neutralize the pH, right? That is, you are preparing the environment of the mucous membrane. And for the next 3 days, you should use tampons with kefir. It's very simple. If you douche with baking soda for longer, you will burn the mucous membrane. So the regimen is 3 days of douching with baking soda, 3 days of tampons with kefir. During all 6 days, while you are treating your candidiasis, you must follow a very strict diet. You completely eliminate all flour-based products, all sugars, any kind. That is, you completely cut out sweets and flour-based foods. You eat fermented dairy products and, of course, meat, fresh vegetables, whole grain porridge, and whole grain bread. So for these 6 days, you are on a very strict diet. And this is the regimen that old doctors used to recommend for treating candidiasis. Of course, if your situation has already progressed to the point where this regimen no longer works, then you can go to a doctor and take systemic medications. But always keep in mind that old doctors were always very careful with the human body. And if a problem can be solved locally, it should be solved locally. Because when you take pills, that's a systemic effect on the body. And such a systemic effect should be justified. I hope this information will help someone, especially people who, due to certain circumstances, cannot afford expensive medications. And this simplest, most inexpensive regimen, I think it will help preserve the health of many. This was Sofya Dorinskaya with you. All the best. Goodbye.